You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words and why they are pronounced differently. What's the difference? They have a different meaning. So your top word here, spelling P-R-O-N-O-U-N-S, those are words that have the function of replacing the person in a sentence, like he or she. Those are pronouns, and it's pronounced pronouns with a stress on the first syllable. Pronouns. Can you hear it? Pronouns. So you have the first syllable pro, and then a little bit less strong, the syllable nouns. Pronouns. Okay, he, she, they, etc. The different pronouns, the preferred pronouns, for example. Now the bottom word here is a verb, to pronounce. Here the stress goes on the second syllable, the nouns syllable. So it's not pronouns, but it's pronounce. To pronounce different words, to pronounce a sentence, the pronunciation of words. To pronounce. I pronounce the words that I'm saying right now. So again, just to make sure we're clear, the top word here is pronounce. The bottom word, pronounce. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.